welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget that bell down below so you won't miss my next video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, elbow bumps. You're just in time. We're in the garden. Yes, it's time to go ahead and start harvesting some of those mustard greens. And if you've never had the pleasure of tasting the spicy bite of mustard greens, you're missing out on one of the garden's greatest treasures. These are so easy to grow and they're gorgeous. The spicy flavor will wake up your taste buds. They're excellent when braised, steamed, sauteed, stir-fried, or even baked. Yes, baked. We are going to go inside. It's starting to rain. We are going to make stuffed mustard greens. So come on in with me. Let's start cooking. made a little bit of homemade mashed potatoes to go with that. I have a little bit of pepper on top. So thanks again for hanging out with me. I'm going to plate this. Greens. And look who's here. He's got his spoon ready because he knows that dinner is ready. And of course, I always have plates for you. Winter wishes. Thank you, Elf on the Shelf, for hanging out with us today. Vlogmas 2020. Thanks again, Elf on the Shelf, for helping us. And dinner's ready. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching.